results in the shovel in the hands of the diggers. And now, hard work of 100 diggers. At that time, there was an acute shortage of trucks. GAZ, among other plants, started production of a new extensive family of GAZ 51. Porky Automobile Plant Truck GAZ 51. 30th anniversary of the service farm. Base GAZ 51 took set 230 tons, and here there is one driver and one unit of equipment. Carries more cargo with him than two separate trucks. It was profitable and effective. Here is the cabin, and here is the place where the semi-trailer is attached, the saddle. Not all drivers were strongmen, especially that after the war, women worked on heavy trucks. In such an innovation, how the brake booster was very important. The most famous areas of application for tractors GAZ 51P began transporting railway containers on special, non-frame semi-trailers platforms. One of the most difficult stages of restoration, the original frame of the car was restored, which was deformed, and the cabin, which had extensive through corrosion.